Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming here, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you come back. I will upload my card shares every Saturday. So let's get started. Today I'm sharing these gorgeous card kits by Ready Creative Cards, which is a company in Germany, and they make these complete card kits. You don't really need anything else. Everything you need is in these packs, and I have 3 different ones to share with you today. So in this card pack here, you got 4 printed cards, the inserts, die cuts, you got motif sheets, so those are more like the pictures, matching labels and the envelopes and instructions on how to assemble those cards. And look how beautiful they are. They're just so gorgeous, and I'll show you how they come together. It's actually very easily. They look very involved, but you can make them in minutes because everything you need is already supplied. So I have this one, Flower Card Summer Vintage, and this is another one in that very same series. You will see these cards because I created the cards from this pack, so you will see them. And then I have another pack here that actually makes 6 cards, and these are folding cards that fold out, but look how beautiful they are. And again, everything you see here is in this pack, so it is a crafter's dream. You don't need anything else. You just open the package and you can start. Okay, so let's see what I have created here. So these are the slimline cards, but they open up from the side, right? And what you can see, there is a cutout here, and behind the cutout is this pretty picture of the village, this cottage here, and then the frame is basically embellished. And the card itself is in the pack, so you have this already printed card with this beautiful corner treatments here, and then all you do is you add the embellishment of your choice, which also comes in this kit, and then of course a greeting that you can add to one of those labels. And isn't this a gorgeous card? And then, yeah, you open it up and it's very clean inside. And isn't this nice when you have all this going on with even a cutout on the front, but then when you open it up, it is clean inside. So I'm going to show you how this will work. So this pack creates 4 cards, right? So you can see them again. They are on the front, so you see all 4 cards, and then inside you have all the materials, and then on the back it basically gives you the instructions on how you're gonna create these cards and how they come together. So I'm gonna show it to you because it's really simple. So you're gonna get this card blank, right? And what you do is you punch out the cutout, and it's already all die cut for you. Just be a little bit careful. There's always a couple of pieces to hold this piece in. Now the piece that you cut out actually holds the labels, okay? So you do want to keep those, and then there's even a little hole here, so you do want to keep your labels. And then this one here is just a scrap that you can use for something else. Okay, so now you have this card with the cutout, right? Now you also get a sheet of these background pictures. So I have this one for right now. So what you would do is you lay this background picture behind your cutout, right? And you do want to arrange it so that you see where it lays. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to add glue all around these sides, right? And then make sure that you have it nicely situated. You have now glue on this side, and then you glue it shut. Okay, so once you have glued it shut, what you have on the inside is something that looks like this, right? So you still have, you see where you glued it, and you get an extra piece of cardstock that you can then add exactly edge to edge, and you have a very clean inside. So now you have this card, and of course I don't have it glued right now, but you have it then, and now you start with embellishing. You are getting these embellishment sheets, right? And already I have taken some out because I've already created cards. But let's see, so there's a lot of yellow here, so I would say I'm going to use this yellow rose that comes on this sheet. So I'm going to take it off my die cut sheet. Okay, and then what I want to do is add some foam pads and then lay this right here, and then I can add a little tag with a greeting. So I have now made 4 cards. I show you the ones that I made, and I still have these embellishments over. So you know, you could use an embellishment like this, or you know, another one where you can then maybe add another embellishment here in the corner, like for example, can put this red rose in the corner. If I would have just used, let's see how this one looks like. Maybe I decide to use this one instead, right? Look how beautiful this is. And now I can either put this right here on top, make it more dimensional. I have another one right here, make it more dimensional, or I can use these extra ones for the corners. But you see, you get the gist of it. These cards are very simple, but once they are done, they look very much like you spent a lot of time. So again, this is my first card, and all I have done here, I added a lot of glitter because I do like glitter, and here I added this German glass glitter because I like it. This is more glittery than Stickles. I have the German glass glitter in, I think, 1 ounce bags in my shop, and I will link them below. This you can see the difference to Stickles. This is real glass, right? I mean, you cannot cut yourself with it, but you can see it just, the glitter is so much more effective. And all you do is add a little bit of liquid glue where you want the glitter to stick, and then add the glitter, but make sure that you catch the leftovers. You don't want to put that to waste. So here is my first card. Here comes my second card. So you see how this comes together. You add the pictures in the back of your frame, and then use one of these beautiful flower embellishments, the tag. All you do is add either a greeting, a sticker. All these stickers here, happy birthday, thinking of you, these come in my shop, and I'll link them below. And then again, when you open up the card, you have this very clean looking card because you covered it up with the cardstock. And they come, of course, with matching envelopes. So the envelopes are in the pack as well, and you don't have to look around for envelopes. And then here is my last card. Happy birthday. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Love these cottages, and then with the flower. Clean inside, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So off camera I finished this card, and you see how it came together so nicely. I decided to use the yellow rose, and there was actually a second piece to it that I didn't see, but here it is, and I added it to the corner. I added some stickles this time. You can see the difference, right? I mean, I like my stickles, you know that, but you can see how the glass glitter is quite more glittery. Yeah, and then yeah, when you open up the card, nice and clean inside. So I also wanted to give you the dimensions of these cards. So they are 8 and 8 and a quarter by 4 and 3/8. And again, you do have the matching envelopes. But here they are, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Try them out. So this is Ready Creative Cards from Germany. I have single die cut sheets from Ready in my shop as well. I will link them below. But this is all I have for you today. I hope you like my cards. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Please share this video with your crafty friends and family. It would really help me out. And you can also join me on social media. All the information is below. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.